To fight for the right and to build the nation's might, and the army goes rolling along. Proud of all we have done, fighting till the battle's won, and the army goes rolling along. Then it's high, high, hey, the army's on its way. Count off the cadence of its strong. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wherever we go, you will always know that the army goes rolling along.
Breathe.
From the halls of mountains to the shores of Tripoli, we will fight our country's battles in the air, on land and sea. First we fight for right and freedom, and to keep our honor clean. We are proud to claim the title of United States Marines.
Coast Guard.
We're always ready for the call. We place our trust in you. Through howling gale and shot and shell to win the victory. Semper Paratus is our guide, our pledge, our motto too. We're always ready to or die. High Coast Guard, we fight for you.
Navy.
Anchors aweigh, my boys, anchors aweigh. Farewell to college shores, we sail at break of day. Through our last night on shore, hail to the foe. Until we meet once more, here's wishing you a happy voyage home.
Air Force.
Off we go, it's the wild blue night, riding high into the sun. We go to meet our thunder, Adam boys, give her the gun. Down we dive, starting our flame from under, off with one terrible roar. We live in fame, we'll go down in flame, for nothing can stop the